How to redeem an Amazon gift card. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can redeem an Amazon gift card in a really easy way. So let's just get started. First things first, open up your Amazon. After you open your Amazon, be sure that you're logged into your Amazon account. And after you've done that, just go to your profile. It's right here besides the home screen. Now after you're there, you will see something like this. Now here what you can do is you can just go to your account. Now after you're on your account, just scroll down. Now after you scroll down, you should see something like payments section. Now here, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. So after you find the payment section, you will see your payments. Tap on it, or you can just go to manage gift card balance. Now after you tap on either one, you should see something like redeem another gift card. So tap on redeem gift card. And after you're here, all you need to do is enter your claim code. And after you enter your code, tap on apply to your balance. And that is basically it. You can also scan your claim code, and that should be good enough. So this is how you redeem an Amazon gift card, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.